Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It is a rainy, stormy night and Chris is playing volleyball, so I figured let's film a video. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do. I'm filming. If you would like to hang out, do makeup together, chill, listen to me ramble about off-the-wall weird shit most likely, then keep on watching. Chocolate milkshake from Frisch's. Not the best, but that's how this night went. So as usual, I'm going to start with the face. Actually, not as usual because I never start with the face. I have a hair up my ass. Let's start with our faces. Instead of doing eyeshadow first. Why not? I'm going to use the Cover FX Blurring Primer with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And let's get through this video without staring at my wretched hair. Okay, let's go. Got it. Right. By the by, the reason I laugh when I say that is because my brother despises, I spit everywhere, despises if anybody says that, like, by the by, hates it. So I like to joke and just say it sometimes just to piss him off, just because I'm obnoxious like that. So by the by, I've been up since 4:30, and I think that is why, like, at this point I'm slap happy. Completely and totally slap happy. It is 10 after 7 at night. And I have never ever filmed this late. I've actually been on YouTube 2 years as of like 4 days ago, which is crazy. I know it's not long compared to some people, but 2 years, in my opinion, is a long motherfucking time. I forgot a mirror again. Hold, please. I swear I can never go a video without forgetting a mirror. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the new NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. This has been my go-to foundation. I cannot put it down. Come on. What's going on? There you are. That's probably too much anyway. Even though I might need a lighter shade at this point because my self-tan has wore off somewhat, I'm just gonna roll with it. We're gonna roll with it. For concealer, I think we already know what I'm going to use, but if you don't, it is the Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm going to set that with the Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder. This is another powder, well, another product that I just have never or can never set down. I always use it. It is my go-to powder. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should. I also like to spray my beauty blender with some Mario Badescu spray, and I just sprayed that all over everything. And I dropped my mirror. I have a feeling I was not meant to film at night. I am not a night person. I am a morning person, which is why I always film in the mornings. And I think I'm starting to understand why. I like to spray my beauty blender, whatever sponge I'm using, with the Mario Badescu, either the rose water spray or the aloe spray, just some kind of hydrating spray. I think it really just helps blend any foundations or any concealers, any liquid products out just beautifully. So now I'm going to jump into the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I tried this out a couple videos ago and I'm trying it again. I used, I think, these 4 colors and like this one right here. I just want to do something soft, nothing crazy. I want to use some shades, obviously, that I haven't tried yet. So what I'm going to jump into, I think I'm going to jump into, I'm going to use Weekender, which is right here, and take it on a fluffy brush and just start to place this all over. Not really being too precise or anything, just kind of slapping it all over my eyelid. I didn't mind doing my face first. Have you guys ever seen comments on people's YouTubes and or Instagrams, whatever, and people get so butthurt over people doing, say they do all their face makeup first and then do their eyes, and people go nuts. Or if some people do their eyes first and then do all their face products, then those people go nuts. It's just like, it's makeup, guys. Like, it's not that serious. You can go any way, shape, or form that you want. And frankly, it's fine. Because guess what? It's not the end of the world if you do your face first and then do your eyeshadow, or do your eyeshadow and then do your face first. I'm just really surprised people get that psycho over it. Why? Moving along. Let's jump into Hell Ride. I'm thinking some kind of soft look. Ooh, I like that color. Very pretty. Oh, y'all probably want to be zoomed in, don't ya? Let me zoom you in. Oh my gosh, I am loving that shade. It's so different. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Wild Heart, which is this one right here. And just kind of take it right along the inner part of my eye. Even though I've already used this color, I'm going to use it again. I'm going to take Blue Sky and run it along my, I already had a different shade on there. Just wiping the brush off. Got it in here too. Anyway, I'm gonna take that Blue Sky color and start by running it right along my lash line. I'm also gonna, ooh, I almost dropped it. I'm gonna take some of this again and just smudge it out a little bit right below where I put Blue Sky. Not much, just a little. Yeah, basically just covered Blue Sky up. It's alright. Not what I envisioned in my head. So now I'm going to take Jet, which is this black right here, and start to smudge it against my lash line up top. I'm gonna try and bring back a little bit of that Blue Sky, even if it's just a little bit. I don't know what I was thinking. Well, I mean, clearly I wasn't. I'm gonna pop some Breakaway, this right here, on my inner corners and my brow bone. What I'm gonna do now is curl my lashes and then pop some lashes on. I'm probably going to use the same lashes as I did in my last video, which were the Salon Perfect 625s. They are one of my new favorite lashes. They're so glamorous and they're from the drugstore. I get them at Walmart. They are amazing. And I'm also going to do my eyebrows, and I will be right back. Okay, so off camera, first off, I just realized my tripod was really not right. Obviously, the angle was wrong earlier. I just figured it out. I don't know what happened. I thought the lashes that I grabbed and put on were the ones I was talking about, which are these. These are the Salon Perfect 625s I was talking about. Let's see if you can see them. They are just absolutely beautiful, beautiful lashes. I think they can give any high-end lash a run for their money. They're affordable. You get 3 or 4 pair in these. 1, 2, 3. You get 3 pair in these. I forget how much they are, but I did get them at Walmart. The ones I am wearing now, I believe, are Kiss Lashes in the style Pixie. Due to my error earlier with that blue sky color, I went ahead and popped some aqua in my lower waterline just to kind of bring it back up and to let it have its moment and purpose. And I tried to do something with this. I am realizing now why YouTubers have wigs on standby, so that they don't have to worry about their hair. They can just pop a wig on and film and they're good to go, saving time. I get it. I totally get it now. I'm going to take some Fenty Beauty Fly Liner and put this right here in tight line. I have lash glue on my eyelid and it won't completely come off. The reason my hair is such a hot damn mess, I was caught in the rain today. Earlier today, I was caught in the rain. Now I'm going to bronze with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm not necessarily contouring, just more so bronzing up my face to bring some color back. I forgot blush, so I'm going to go ahead and pop mascara on. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Oh my god, my dog has a brush! Damn it. You shithead. Of all brushes, you have to grab the MAC. You have great taste. You, sir. It's not a chew toy. Not a chew toy. Asshole. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 9B palette. Actually, because my eyes are more of these two tones, shades, colors. Ooh, we were blush happy. We're in the home stretch, people. Home stretch. Drop my palette. I haven't used this in a long time. It is the e.l.f. highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. For lips, I'm going to start lining them. Which one is this? I think this is the Milani lip pencil. This is in the shade Nude. And then I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Allison. And put that, not a lot, just enough, get some color. This is one of my go-to fall liquid lipsticks. I love this shade. And then because my lips are so damn dry and I'm just a gloss girl in general, I'm going to top this with the NYX liquid, the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. And then I'm going to spray my face with some Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. Alright guys, so here is the final look. Hey, to those who have made it to the end of this video, you are the true MVPs for making it through this godforsaken show. I typically always have a couple goofy things happen while I'm filming, but I've never had this many things happen to me while I'm filming. I think I'm going to stick to filming in the morning after I've had 2-3 cups of coffee, eaten some breakfast, not going off of 4 hours sleep. I've been up since 4:30. My hair may have played me a little bit, but what's new? I'm tired. Gonna take this makeup off, literally. Do it, take it off. Life of a YouTuber. What are you gonna do? If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell so that you get all my notifications. And hopefully I will see you on my next one. Hopefully I didn't scare you away. Come back, see me. Let's hang out again. I'll see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching. Woo! It's a wrap.